This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from DeAgostini. If you'd like to build along, pop along to DeAgostini.com where you can order one for your very own. They also have several other part work build-up models that you can build for everything from cars to boats and everything in between. So I'd like to thank them very much for giving me the opportunity to build this so you can all watch and see exactly how it all goes together. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 56 of building your own Ford GT with the hingy back bit and the nice bits of the thing. Yes, this issue is going to be a very quick build because there isn't actually any building. There is some magazine though, so we'll have a look at that. The 1968 World Sports Prototype Championship. I don't know if it was a prototype then, obviously that is a different number to this one, so I'm not sure what is what, but you can read the words and find out if you so desire. I'm not overly worried about the background of these, so it's quite nice. Verbiages. Looks like it's smiling. That doesn't look like it's smiling so much though, but that is the car that we're building, I believe. Good. I'm starting to really get taken by the colour scheme. Not that colour scheme because that's black and white picture, but you know what I mean. Yes, so this is what we're doing now, the spare tyre. I say doing, all we're doing is looking at it. We should just admire the spare tyre, and there it is. That's it. That's what we're doing. We're just looking at it. They obviously haven't done any printing on the inside. They've just got the Firestone on the outside there. So that is that. That will be hidden inside the hood, the bonnet, because that's not where the engine is. So yes, at some point that will be attached to this post, and that's that. But for the build so far, that is that. Next issue, we're going to be putting some bits together, but not very many again. But it's better than not doing that at all. So I shall put that to one side and we'll use that later. But for now, that is that. So that is the build complete for this issue. So thank you for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you for the next one, which will be a little bit more involved. So stay safe. See you soon. Bye-bye for now.